I just saw a picture of a man that single-handedly made me quit acting without even knowing it. Wayeyedwa Nkosi yami engabambisene namuntu. He recently just trended. It wasn't like a big deal trending, but nje bekuyinto engatheni, it was like subtle trending. And ngithe mengisibona isithombe sakhe ngakhumbula ukuthi yindaba ngayeka into yoku-actor. Ayibo. And yazi bahle sibengibuza mhlawumbe mengikwama interview ukuthi awupheni waqala ngoku-actor kwenzakalani, mhlawumbe ngithi mina khona kodwa izizathu mhlawumbe engihlezi ngisisho sengikhumbulile ukuthi akusilona iqiniso lelo. That's not why I quit acting. That man was the reason why I quit acting. So let me tell you what happened 9 years ago. I think it was 2017. Yeah, 2017. 2017, 2018, if you've been on my page, you'll know ukuthi ngangithanda indaba yoku-act. Ngiyacela just nje ngamabomu ukuthi you've been on my page long enough and wakwangibona kulama stages la ngisafela koZalo, launching my acting career. I even went to school for acting. Ngiphinde ngibamba my workshops for attend my workshops oku-actor ko Durban Actors Studio, kusakhona Durban Actors Studio lapha ngaseShaka Marine. Kwaze kwaba khona i-competition, I think nge-lockdown kwathiwa silingisele uMangcobo esakuZalo. Mfethu nami ngayenza leyanto. Ngagcina sengiyibona sengikwi-set yoZalo phela kuthiwa mesifika laphana sibona ukuthi izinto zenziwa kanjani yabo behind the scenes. Ngathi Durban Jen, ngathi imbewu si-actor as ama-extra laphayana yabo. But mfethu ngangifuna kabi lento ye-acting, ngibambisene ne-radio ngala. So lwabhuti usekuwubaba nje manje sikhohlakala sekhehla lesana. So angazi nini kuphume i-poster yokuthi kunama auditions oku-actor and ama-judge akhona waseGoli and ama-actors aziwayo. I think kwakhona i-director phakathi, kube khona i-actor umuntu wesifazane naye-ke lo bhuti who who is a big actor. Odlala nje kwenye ishow ya SABC2 engeke ngiyidalule kodwa ke esahluleka. Ngithe mengifike eGoli nganaka ukuthi si-KZN sihlulekile ukubiza lela gama. Futhi ngizoyidalula thina sasithi umvango kanti umbango. So anyway, mfethu like ngaphatheka kabi because lo muntu ngikhule ngimbuka ngimhlonipha, but izinto indlela ezenzeka ngayo ngathi mengiphuma noma kwenzeka leyanto lwaphela nje mfethu uthando loku-actor lwaphela nya phindange ngazama. So what happened was kuphuma i-poster yokuthi kuzoba nama-auditions eThekwini, abantu abafisa ukungena into the acting industry abangene abasondele. So vele mina ngiya ngokuthi mfethu sengiyazi ukuthi ama-extra asebenza kanjani, ama-main characters asebenza kanjani, ngiyazi ukuthi sisifundwa kanjani i-script, usitranslate kanjani. I know the little things that add on to your acting. You can act ngama-facials ungashongo lutho, ama-facial expressions, you can act ngokuphefumula yabo. So mfethu angimoshele lwababa. So kuphume lama audition, ngihamba nobhuti wami kuSanele umngani wami, my best friend from high school, who turned into my brother. Sisondela kakhulu because siyayithanda i-acting. Mfethu ngosuku lokuqala hayi nathi sigibeleke, manje mina ngiyahluleka ukuvuka. So sigcine siphume ngo7, mesifika laphana it was past 7, 7:45. Sitshela ukuthi sifike early kanti eyibuso ulanda umudu line. Sagcine singa-auditionanga ke ngosuku lokuqala, kodwa sagcine sifikile ngasesicabheni. So base beyasitshela ukuthi ngoba bese nila mase nifika ngakusasa ngicela ukuthi menifika nize ngaphambili yabo cause nini nigcinile. Sifike second day sifike ngabo past 6 still bese si late yabo. Ngasaba mfethu ukusho ukuthi phela ade ngila izolo kuthiwa yabo mfethu ngasama ke kulayini kwathi ngabo 4 sagcine sesifikile ke phambili. Samase sifika sebeyasho ukuthi hawu you guys have been here all day. Sathi yebo, but hawu anishongo ngani ngoba ngabe nilokhu njanile ni audition ekuqala ekuseni. Sathi siyaxolisa besisaba. So sa audition and they said you're through to the next round. We were excited. So kanti le QS kuyona izoshesha iphele. U-second round uqala vele sisakhona kwathiwa si-audition. Za-audition, I think saphuma ngabo-8 sesigijimela ukuthi sikhave itaxi-ke manje ekhaya. Mes-audition ekuthiwa sifike futhi ngakusasa siqhubeke la sigcine khona. Hayi sifike siqhubeke la sigcine khona. Ama-audition-ke ashesha phela ngabo-2. Sithi siseteksini hayibo ku-WhatsApp wami because manje after the second round khona iphepha obunikwa lona. Leli phepha obunikwa lona bubhala igama, isibongo, uhlalaphi, bengisahlala eMlazi, uhlalaphi, inamba yakhe ithini. Hayi ngishiye konke lokho yabo. Hayibo. Akuphelanga nesikhathi singakanani ngithola uWhatsApp mfethu. But manje menguthola lo WhatsApp, it is this actor guy and I was starstruck, man. I was shocked. I'm like, did he just personally contact me? Yebo. Ngitshengisa uSanele ngithi Sanele nabo bengithinta bomhlawumbe nawe sebezokuthinta. But yabo khona lento engizwa ukuthi no, but this is off yabo ngoba muya kwama audition yabo, you don't get directly contacted by judge. U contact by production yabo. So ngitshela ukuthi since judge mhlawumbe khona nesikhundla thizena siphethe, maybe it's part of production angazi, but I'm just excited mfethu ngiyingane nje mina I'm excited ukuthi yazini. Yeah, ngiyaphopha ke manje. You know, I'm like, this is me kickstarting my acting career. Hey. So athi hey Penny, I hope you're well. Siyaphila nathi baba ninjani? Naye siyaphila. Athi don't call me ubaba, nguntanga wenu mina. Hayibo. Ngibe nalokho uthi hayibo untanga wethu kanjani lo muntu ngikhule ngimbuka emdala ngaka. Yabo, but you know ngiphume nje lapho because mina my focus is me securing that acting career. You know, this is my breakthrough, so this is not the time for me to yabo ngiphendule snacks. Athi it was amazing seeing you. You know, ngumuntu waseGoli, but I've seen a lot of beautiful things here in KZN. No, I think babethi Natal. I've seen a lot of beautiful things here go Natal. You know, ulwandle, abantu base Natal, the language, the culture, and you. Mina ngumuntu ke who can read the room. Mina ngeke ungidide ngingakutshela mengena endaweni uthi oh lo la kukanjani kukanjani. Manje I can read the room even kwama text ke mina eqala kudala lena. Athi ngithi mina and you. Ibuza uthi manje lo bhuti ufuna ngiphendule kanjani. Ngithi mina ngitwist lento ngithi mina hopefully you're going to see all that beauty on screen soon enough if this comes through or if this goes through yabo. Sengimbuyisela ekutheni I hope lo buhlo kubona la eNatal. Me ukuthi nami ngiyabaleka lapho. I hope uzongibona nase screenini maduzana. Yabo phela nami ngiyamtshotha yabo phela make the right choice fethu. Izinto zami yikhaya. Athi uhlalaphi ngithi mina ngihlala eMlazi. Masethi number basibhukhele khona la ehotela eLazi. So I think it was a Central Hotel. I think kwakusekhona Hilton. Yeah. Athi bambhukhele Hilton. I think it's noma Southern Sun. Between those two, he was by the beach because one should tell his tombe ebuki beach ngithi mina that's very nice. Athi bangibhukhele la ngithi mina that's very nice. Ngisho tell beach. Yabo. Ase athi wathi lo baba ngimina hopefully you'll make it to screen if you can make it to my room tonight. Ngafunda kwezami ukuthi la kuthiwa wozovula imlenze ukuze uthole lo msebenzi. Mfethu ngiseteksini ebuyile eMlazi yathi idlule eMega City ngafunga ngagomela ukuthi indaba yokuactor never again. Ayibo, that's why nje mfethu lo baba wangibulalela iphupho lami lokuthi ngifuna ukuactor and ngabona ukuthi yabo imlenze yami ngiyivula la ngiyohlezi ngivula imlenze yami ukuze ngenze izinto noma ukuze izinto zami zenze ngashiya phansi. And that's why I think kwangisiza kodwa that's why izinto zami ithe zathatha isikhathi eside ukuthi ikhanye noma ivuleke because I refuse ukuthi ngilale. Because the thing is masukhuluma nezingane nje osijwayele ukubizwa ezikoleni kuthiwa sambe sokhuluma nezingane. Masukhuluma nezingane zesikole ubatshela ukuthi wena ufike kanjani la khona uyothini. So nje even with people coming in the industry abasha ngisho ngimina ngiyisengingekho kwi-acting industry. But kulabo abangena kwi-industry muhlangana nomuntu othi kumele kwenziwe lento ukuze uthole lento shiya phansi kuzozanzakalela mekufanele kwenze kodwa lesasikhohlakala sekhehla.
Ngamzakwethu-ke lana-ke inkulumo kaPenny Ntuli, abanye-ke abazange bayigqize qakala, abanye inkulumo yakhe bayilalela, abanye bayizwa, abanye bangayizwa. So khumbula-ke ngamzakwethu ukuthi-ke ukuba umlingisi kuthatha ukuthi-ke wenze izinqumo ezithize mayelana naloku kulingisa osuke ukulingisa ngaleso sikhathi. Kuyahlukana ukuthi wena umlingisi olingisani ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa-ke la uPenny Ntuli uveza indaba yokuthi-ke kwaba nezothando phakathi. Ngabe wena uyayikholelwa le nkulumo yakhe noma awuyikholelwa? Asihlangane laphayana kwi-comment section sizwe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena uthini ngalolu daba. Ungakhohlwa ukucofa subscribe button. Danko.